Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys 3 fun accent pieces using items from the Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for our first project. And everything that I'll be using will be listed down below in the description box so you guys can go and check out and see everything that I used. Alright, let's get started on this fun and easy accent piece decor ideas. Alright, we're going to start off by painting with this white acrylic paint here. We're going to paint our little piggy bank that we got from the Dollar Tree. Just going to paint it all over with one coat of white paint. Now I'll be using the Mod Podge and the rose gold glitter, and we're just going to add the glitter all over our piggy bank. Now I'll be adding these stone gems I got from the Dollar Tree to the top of our piggy bank. And now I'll be adding this gem, this rose gold gem from Totally Dazzled, to add to our little box to make it look more blingy and nice. And now on to project number 2. And here are the items that we'll be using. And again, remember, they'll be listed down below in the description box. Okay, we're going to start off by using the Mod Podge and some black glitter, you guys. And we're just going to mix it up and add the black glitter to the bottom of our music sign. And now we're going to use the Mod Podge again with our silver glitter this time. And we're just going to bling out the top part of our music sign. Now that our glitter is all dry, we're going to add these lovely gems from Totally Dazzled and add some shine to our music sign. And now project number 3, you guys. And remember, everything will be listed below in the description box for you guys to see all the items that I used. Okay, we're going to take our bling, our gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and our starfish candle holder here from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to have the bling wrap going all the way around. Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. Alright everyone, I've taken our bling wrap and cut it into smaller strips, and we're going to wrap it going right around the top of our container. And now we're going to use the Mod Podge and our rose gold glitter and also some of our silver glitter. And we're just going to add it to the bottom part of our container. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think they turned out very nice. Lovely little accent pieces for your home using items from the Dollar Tree.
No, he don't, no, he don't, no, he don't, no, he don't recognize you. Real, recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby.
Now, I love how they turned out. The music sign looks so nice, all blinged out with the gems from Totally Dazzled. And our glitter, black glitter on the bottom, silver on the top. And our candle holder. I think it looks very nice on this little riser. I didn't attach it to the bottom piece. I just rested on top. And our piggy bank. It looks so super cute with the gems. With the rose gold gem to match the rose gold glitter. I think it looks very nice. And like I mentioned before, I didn't glue the candle holder on top of the riser. I just rested there because I think it looks super cute and I could use the riser for something else or continue to use it with the candle holder. Alright everyone, leave a comment and tell me below what you think about these quick and easy little fun little accent pieces for your home using items from the Dollar Tree. And give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.
Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here.